Hey everyone, I'm just outside of Eat My Shortbread bakery. It's a window cleaning customer that we do on a monthly basis, and I think it's a great local business based in Oshawa. The foods that I like the best there are the brownies and the shortbread cookies. They're all homemade. They're made with butter, sugar, real ingredients, not high fructose corn syrup and margarine and trans fats and things like that. So that it's good food made the way your grandmother likes it. And yeah, my favorite is a brownie here. And they have other baked goods you might like. You come in and have a coffee and things like that. Trisha is the owner, and she's worked very hard to get it into more and more stores in the Greater Toronto area. So if you check your favorite store, there's a good chance that they might have baked goods from Eat My Shortbread. Eat My Shortbread, I hope I said that right. Eat My Shortbread here. So anyway, it's homemade. It's like your grandmother made. And I just wanted to give a little shout out to this local place. It's in Oshawa. It's right on Town Line Road. Forgot what the name of it's called. It's a street that divides Oshawa and Whitby, just off of Wentworth. Anyway, have a great one.